water crossings. Where portions of Maine, including the following counties: Androscoggin, Cumberland, Franklin, Kennebec, Oxford, Somerset, and Waldo. Portions of northern New Hampshire, including the following counties: Carroll and Coos. When? Until 9 p.m. Friday. Additional warnings possible thereafter due to continued rises on small stream and creeks. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is expected to develop early afternoon and continue into this evening. Additional details: at 12:17 p.m., 1 to 2 inches of rainfall had fallen. Several more hours of moderate to heavy rainfall are expected through this evening. This rainfall indicates the snow melt will produce excessive runoff and rapid rises on area streams and creeks. Additional warnings may be needed. Some locations that will experience flooding include Auburn, Waterville, Farmington, Fairfield, Bridgeton, Freiburg, Mechanic Falls, Bethel, Turner, and Rumford.